We are back with another episode on WarpDriveM with the G60, the 2025 BMW that burned completely to the ground. On today's episode we received a few parts, but sadly when I start this episode we have no file for the hybrid battery because we have to reset the module. So till we have that file or till we have that module reset, we cannot start the car, sadly. But let's install all the parts that we have and let's see where this one goes. Maybe till I'm filming this episode we are going to receive the file and we can reset the module. So let's begin.
Yes, parts are here, finally. After a few days of waiting, parts are here. So we have a few €100 just in here, of course. So let's see what we have. First things, oh yes, this is the hose for the coolant system for the battery. Yes, and with this one, just this one is going to close the system completely, and we can literally pour antifreeze into the system. So this should go in here, or maybe I should put it in here first. Yes, something like that. This one will go in here. Nice click. One more click and we are good to go. Oops. Come on. Another click. And this should somehow click in here as well. Next item. Oh yes. Strange enough, I had this part, but I cannot find this one anywhere. In my boxes, in my packages, I cannot seem to find this one. I've just lost it for sure. So this is the holder for the airbox. Now let's hope it's going to fit in here. Yes, another problem solved. Let's see what's next. The next problem is the holder for the radiator. It looks like this, and it's going to replace this one. So let's do that somehow. Oh yeah, that's why the hose was always jumping out, because it wasn't something correctly here. Maybe it still isn't. It's way better, that's for sure, but not enough. Okay, another package. Oh yes, this is the bracket for the bumper, I'm pretty sure. Everything that I've ordered are for the right side, because this is the side that was destroyed in the accident, and this one comes in here. Something like that. And I'm pretty sure this one holds the bumper or the grille or something in the front, because parts for the engine or other stuff we don't have in here. We have just the bumper, some air duct or air ducting in here that flows the air into the radiators. Perfect, that's done as well. Let's see, next piece of the puzzle. Oh yes, this is a bracket that comes in here, and yeah, this is for the bumper or for the headlight. Perfect, so we have all the parts on both sides now. I'm going to tighten everything, that's for sure. This is empty, or maybe this one was. Let's see. Yeah, this one I ordered wrong, because this is the rubber that goes into the radiator, but I have it and it's okay. So yeah, I have a spare one. This is another bracket. Let me show you. And this one comes in here. Let me show you this. And this is the bracket, or looks like this. Maybe I will be able to straighten this out, but yeah, for the price I ordered a new one. And this is just a bracket that holds the splash guard on the wheel, but I wanted to have it new, so I have it new because this is a new car. And this one goes on the other side. Yes. So next piece, so this is the part that we don't need. This is the plastic, or a plastic holder that holds an antenna, and that antenna should be here on top somewhere. I'm going to show you later, or it's not that important. And the bag is empty. Ta-da! We have in here all the wires for microphone. We just have to figure out which one goes where. Yes, no plan, no nothing. So these are the microphone wires. Now we have all 4 wires, but at the end, let me show you, looks like this. So this is a pair because it's both of them are with one part number. So I have to check the part number to see for the front or for the rear. The only problem is that I have to see that are tied together. I have to plug those in and to find out where. Yes, it's going to be a struggle, that's for sure, but we have no more cut wires. So I've replaced, or I have replacement for all the wires that were cut in the accident, so we have everything. Yes. Time to give you some updates. Not really sure where I left you, but I'm pretty sure you saw that I've installed the water line and everything else, like this plunger. Yeah. In the meanwhile, I received a few other parts, like this bracket that holds the locks for the hood, or the latch for the hood. I've already replaced it. I've received this bracket. This is as well installed. I finally managed to install the horn because I found 2 new horns in France. I ordered those, and one of the horns from France is this one, and the second one, this is the company, I'm pretty sure, is this one, so original from G60. But I used one of mine because it was already on the bracket. I had to hammer a little bit the bracket, but it's done. All the other parts I'm pretty sure you saw that I've installed. And yeah, this is the old bracket. I replaced it because see that it was broken, cracked. So yeah, and I removed the headlights because, in fact, let me show you. We have the left headlight, which is perfect, no crack, not a single damage whatsoever. But the right one, this is the one from the accident, so yeah, nothing was left. What was pretty interesting, that the module was complete, not cracked, so everything is working, because you saw in the last episodes when I put the battery and everything was working, was this headlight. I bought another one that had a big hole, and the glass was cracked and everything. So now I've opened everything. This is the inside. Everything is fine, not a single scratch, nothing is broken. We have the new glass in here. We are waiting just for the housing, and we should have another headlight which will work and will save us like €1,000 for sure. And we have in here the glue for the glass. So basically we have everything. We just have to receive this part. Here on the door I've cut this side because it was dangerous in here for everybody, because we are going to replace either way the doors. Both of these doors we have to replace. I don't want to buy the doors, to be honest, because all the work that I'm doing now is to start the car.
And that is working towards the battery, the module, to reset the module. So finally yesterday I had some news, or first news, about this file on resetting the module. And maybe, I'm going to say maybe, in the next episode we are going to start the car, because the file is here. Now we just have to write it somehow on the module. So yeah, that's kind of new territory, and we are going to do that, that's for sure. And like I've said, maybe in the next episode we are going to start the car. That's why I didn't done so much replacing parts like fenders and doors and stuff like that, because I want to hear the car running, and after that we are going to order everything, and yeah, bam, the car is done. But I want to be sure that the car starts and drives. That's most important. I don't want to put money into doors and fenders and stuff, and I won't be able to start it. So yeah, that's why everything moves a little bit slow now, because all the infos, all the work, or the preparation are for starting this car. I worked a lot off camera, like this unit or control unit, because we cannot replace anything on this car, because everything is going to need to be coded. And yeah, that's not a problem, because we can drive the car to BMW to be coded, but they won't code anything on the car when it's looking like this. So yeah, that will be maybe half a year in the future. So I'm not going to wait 6 months to finish the car, and after that to drive it to BMW and to code one module. So I removed this completely. I fixed the camera because I had an error for the camera. I fixed the antenna in here. Maybe you can see that I've removed it from the metal that I've cut from Italy. So everything is clean now, everything is working, should be working. So yeah, like I said, a lot of work was off camera, and to fix all the errors that I had a list with all the errors, and yeah, I was working towards that. I had an error for this speaker, because in here there is an electrical piece, and that was ripped in the accident. In fact, let me show you. Yep, this is the original one, and the other one is the new one. See that? The same part number, the same shape, the same everything, because it's the same. And yes, because of this I wanted to solder it back, but after I've checked, I've noticed that the metal was from this part. It was yeah, pulled out from that part, so I cannot fix it. So I wanted to buy this piece separately and solder it, but I wasn't able to find it. Strange. Yep, so I found another one for like €30. I've ordered it, so yeah, it's installed. So what I'm trying to say now is that I'm going through the list with all the error codes to fix everything till the file is going to be written on the module, and when we start the car we'll have the least errors, or the least amount of errors on the system, that the car can move. And after that we are going for fenders, doors, and yeah, basically we're waiting to start the car and for the roof, because the other parts are available, we can order. And let's hope we can fix the headlight. Sadly, this is my time for today's episode. The week is gone. This is the progress that we've done in this week on the G60. If you want to see more progress on this car, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.